lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making a no-bake cheesecake. This is an easy, simple recipe. If you're interested in these type of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe so I know you enjoy this type of content. Let's get started. Okay, so I put my stove on medium high heat and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. I'm gonna let that melt, and next I'll be adding 3 cups of mini marshmallows to the pan and letting that melt as well. And once it melts, it should look like this. It should be a smooth, silky consistency. Then I'm adding 5 cups of Fruity Pebbles to that, and then I'm gonna stir it up until the Fruity Pebbles are fully coated in that marshmallow mixture. Next, I'm taking extra virgin olive oil and I'm gonna grease my springform pan. You can use non-stick cooking spray if you have that as well. And I'm using, I believe, a 12-inch pan. It's best to use the 8-inch pan so you can really spread that mixture all the way up to the sides. So I'm just adding the mixture to the pan. And now you can see my hands are slightly wet, so the mixture doesn't stick to my fingers and makes it easier to spread. I'm spreading it on the bottom and on the sides as well. And this is what it should look like. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream to my mixer. You're just gonna mix that until it starts to thicken. Next, you're gonna add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar and mix until you get stiff peaks. Then we're gonna set this mixture aside and get started on the cream cheese mixture. So now I'm adding 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese to the mixer. Then I'm adding 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Then you're gonna mix that and fold in the 2 mixtures. Gently fold the mixtures together. Folding, folding, folding. And once you fold that in, you're gonna gently fold in 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles. And listen to this. This is ASMR worthy. You can hear how fluffy it sounds. Then you're gonna add that mixture to your springform pan and evenly spread it out. And this is what it should look like. Next, we're gonna garnish the top with more Fruity Pebbles. And this is what it should look like. You're gonna refrigerate it overnight or for 7 hours. Now I'm taking off the springform pan. And voila! It looks amazing. It came out perfect. Perfect. These voiceovers drive me crazy. But anyway, it looks amazing. And now I'm gonna cut the cake. You can see how fluffy it is. This cake is really sweet. It's moist, light, and fluffy. If you don't like sweets, I would not recommend this. And now you can see how soft and fluffy and moist this is. Kids will definitely love this. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.